In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the HubSpot interface to make the most of its user guide and explore the various features and integrations available. It's designed to help you get accustomed to the site, find essential tools, and understand how everything can fit together for your business. To get started, head over to the user guide on the HubSpot platform. This is where you'll find a comprehensive resource for learning how to maximize your experience with HubSpot. The user guide is your go-to spot for all things related to navigation and understanding what's available within HubSpot. Make sure you're comfortable with navigating the guide as it offers a wealth of information on using HubSpot effectively. Once you have the user guide open, click on highlighted sections. This action will help direct your attention to the most important parts of the guide, ensuring that you don't miss any crucial pieces of information. HubSpot uses highlights strategically to emphasize key features and updates, so be sure to explore these areas thoroughly. Next, select the Apps section. This is essentially a gateway to discovering the diverse range of applications that can be integrated into your HubSpot experience. Each app provides unique functionalities, enhancing your workflows and extending the platform's capabilities. Take your time to explore this section and identify apps that could be beneficial for your specific needs. Following that, you'll want to click on Categories. This will help you to organize and filter the apps based on their functionalities and specific use cases. Whether you're looking for marketing, sales, service, or operational apps, categories can narrow down your search, saving you time and assisting you in finding exactly what you need. After exploring the categories, navigate to the Pricing section. This is crucial for understanding the cost implications of the tools and services you're interested in. HubSpot offers various pricing tiers, so make sure to review these options to find a plan that aligns with your budget and usage requirements. Next, check out the Compatible HubSpot Plans area. This section will help you verify which apps and features are available based on your specific HubSpot subscription. Ensuring compatibility is essential for seamless integration and operation within your existing plan. Then, click on HubSpot Features. Here, you can dive deeper into the specific functionalities offered by HubSpot. It's a great way to understand the breadth of features at your disposal, helping you utilize the platform to its fullest potential. Finally, explore the Also Integrates With section. Understanding which third-party applications can be connected with HubSpot allows you to tailor your toolset to fit your business operations more effectively. These integrations can streamline your processes, reduce manual efforts, and create a cohesive workflow across multiple services. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to make informed decisions on utilizing HubSpot's offerings to your advantage. Thank you for watching, and happy HubSpotting!